Good morning students. Students, in the previous classes, I gave you the explanation of basic geometrical ideas, that what is points, line segment, parallel lines, intersecting lines and ray. I hope you understood all the things. So in today's class we are going to discuss about curves. What exactly the curve is? So the curve means if we are doodling, so that is known as curves. What is the term doodling? Doodling means to make the random figure. Without lifting this chalk or pencil, without lifting this. So this figure will be what? Curves. Without lifting this chalk, or you can use pencil, pen. So if we are making this type of figure, means we are doodling. So this is known as what? Curves. Curves is nothing but it is made up of non-straight lines. Means they are not exactly straight. Suppose if I make this straight line, so this will also be the curve. But if I make like this, so this is exactly the curve. Means in mathematics or in real life there is difference between that curves or a straight line like this. In mathematics we can also use curve for this straight line. We can also call this straight line a curve, but in real life it is not like that, because curve means in our mind it strikes like that, it is not straight. So in mathematics we can use this term for straight line also. This is also the curve. Understood? This is also the curve. So if we are doodling, so that is known as curves. There are many examples you can see around you. Like if I make this leaf of a plant, so what is this? This is again curved shape. It is not straight line. It is not made up of line segment. So this is again the curve. This heart. This is a curve. This shape. This is a curve. Okay. So whatever we make in the form of this means we do not use what? Line segments. So that is known as what? Curves. Okay. If I make this straight line, this is also the curve, and if I make like this is all these figures are what? Curves. All these figures are curves. It is not exactly the straight line. Means we are not exactly use this straight line for making the curves. If we are doodling it, so that is become the curves. Understood? Now, curves falls in two categories. Curves falls in two categories. First is closed curves, and second is open curves. So what is mean by this term closed curves? Closed curves means its starting point and ending point. Means it has start point and end point both. It has no start point and it has no end point. Understood? For example, if I make this figure, so can you tell me that what is its starting point and end point? No, you can't tell what is its starting point, because it has many starting points. Suppose it can start from this point. If I make like this, it can be start from this point. It can be start from this point and end in this point. Suppose like this. Okay, so it can have many start and end points. Understood? So the figure whose start point and end point does not exist, so that is known as what? Closed curves. Understood? And in closed curves, it has area enclosed within it. It has area enclosed within it in this way. Okay, in this way it has area enclosed within it. There are many examples of closed curves. If I make this heart, so this is again the closed curves, because this is again a closed curve because it has no start point and end point, and it has area enclosed within it. Understood? And and if I make this leaf, okay, this is again a curve, and if I make this star, this is again the closed curve. Understood? So in closed curves there is no start point and end point, and it has area enclosed within it. So that is known as what? Closed curves. Understood? Now our next topic is open curves. What are open curves? In open curves there is starting point and ending point. It has start and end point both, and it has no area enclosed within it. For example, if I make the figure like this, so it has both start point and end point. Okay, it has both start point and end point, and it has no area enclosed within it. Okay, and if I make the figure like this is again the open curve. Okay, this is again the open curve. So the examples of curve can be the bangles or the ball which you are using for playing the cricket. Okay, so all these are the examples of what? Curves. Okay, and the oval conference table, you might have seen that oval conference table. So all these are the examples of curves, and it falls in two categories: closed curves and open curves. Understood? Closed curves means it has no start point and no end point, but it has area enclosed within it. And in open curves, it has start point and end point, and it has no area enclosed within it. Understood? Now, there is another topic which is what? Simple curves. What are simple curves? Simple curves means it will not intersect itself. For example, if I make this figure, okay, so this will be what? It is a closed curve, but it is not intersecting itself. It is not intersecting itself. But if I make the figure like this, so it intersect at some point. It intersect at this point. Okay, so this will not simple curve. Okay, it will not simple curve, but it will be the simple curve because it is not intersecting itself. So the figure which is not intersecting itself, so that is known as simple curve. Simple curves can be open and as well as closed. Simple curves can be open curves also as well as closed curves. Understood? So the figure which is not intersecting itself or not cut itself, so that is known as simple curves. Understood? Now tell me, can you identify which of the following are closed curves or open curves? Yes. So let's talk about its first one, which is like this. So how it looks like? It starts from this point and ends in this point. Okay. You can also start from this point and end in this point. It is up to you. But this figure is what? This is an open curve because it has both starting and end point. Okay. It has start and end point both, and it has no area enclosed within it. So it will be what? Open curve. Understood? Now next one is second, which is this figure. This figure is what? It has area enclosed within it, and it has no start and end point. So you can say that this one is closed curve. Understood? Now next one is this. So this will again what? Closed curve. This will again what? Closed curve. Okay. Can you identify, is this a simple or not? Yes. This will not simple curve. This is closed curve but not simple curve because it intersects itself. Not simple curve. It is a closed curve but not a simple curve. Now next one, this line, straight line. This is again what? Open curve. Okay, this will again an open curve because it has start point and end point both. Okay. Now next one is this figure. This figure is what? It has what? This is again what? It has one end point and the starting point can be like this. So this is what? Open curve because it has start and end point both. Okay, and it has not the complete area enclosed within it. This area is what? This area is enclosed, but this is not. So this will be what? Open curve, and you can say that this is what? Not simple curve because it intersects itself. Okay, it intersects itself, so it will not simple curve. Understood? Now the next one is this figure. This is again closed curve because it has area enclosed within it and it has no start and end point. Understood? Now let us conclude what we have studied in today's class. So if we are doodling, so that is known as curve. Doodling means make some random figure. Suppose like this, make like this. This is all these are what? Figures. If we are doodling, that is known as doodling. So that is known as curve. Curves falls in two categories: closed curves and open curves. Closed curves means it has no start and end point and it has area enclosed within it, and in open curves it has start and end point both and it has no area enclosed within it. Okay, and if we are talking about simple curves, so simple curves does not intersect itself. Simple curves does not intersect itself. Okay, and those figures which intersect itself are not simple curves. Understood? Okay, thank you.